Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer courses with Coursera, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your course transfer process with Coursera, log into your Coursera account. Navigate to the My Courses section on your dashboard. Identify the course you wish to transfer. Make sure to check whether the course is eligible for transfer. Open the course details page by clicking on the course title. Look for the transfer option within the course settings or menu. Read the eligibility requirements and guidelines for transferring courses. If your course qualifies, select the transfer button. You'll be prompted to follow specific steps to complete the transfer. Choose the destination program or course to which you want to transfer credits. Confirm that you meet all prerequisites for the new course or program. Fill out any required information in the transfer request form. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Submit the transfer request for processing. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transfer status. If needed, follow up with Coursera support for any issues or questions. You will receive confirmation once your transfer is approved. Finally, check your new course to ensure that all credits have been successfully applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.